Best wheel lock out there. Easy to use and super strong. Had my car stolen, so I wanted to make sure I had some sort of wheel lock to deter thieves from my new car. Originally thought of getting a disc lock, but I felt it'd be really inconvenient to use on a daily basis due to its weight and its general clunkiness. The Stoplock, on the other hand, is pretty light and much easier to store. Most days I keep it on the floor of the front passenger side. Ideally, you want the locking mechanism on one of the spokes and have the bar towards the door, so it makes it really awkward for thieves to enter. I'm sure this will be enough to deter most of them. Photo shows the Stoplock Pro on a 2018 to 2022 Honda Accord. Fits perfectly. Easy, sturdy, and fits big and small vehicles. Durable, highly visible, easy to use. It doesn't fit between the sections of steering wheel like it's meant to on my car, but still works fine on the main part of the wheel. Installing it is fast and the item isn't too clunky or heavy in my opinion. Fits my Lincoln Aviator 2021 and Porsche 911. Used for my car. Click link in description for more reviews.